Hello everyone. Now I'm going to tell you how to access the reports section in the student portal of MyConceptBooster. So let's get into this. You can see the option reports over here. Click on that. So it directs you into the reports page. You can see the search option, like based on your requirement. You can see the first option, exam model, over here. Just select whichever test you want and search the examination that you're testing. So suppose if you're doing like this, and if you click search, it will give you any test that will be available in this search requirement. So you can see the tests that are already written over here. The reports for these tests will be looking like this. So I'll tell you each and every detail. So firstly, the exam ID for this. So these are the exam IDs: 4087, 1327, 1130, and 959. These are the 4 different types of tests that are written already. These everything are in 12th class, and the exam titles are the one which the tests are conducted by the teacher. So this is the chemistry practice test and JEE main grand test, etc. So in this menu you will see the test name, or this one is, or this is named as the examination model. So you can see the 4 options over here. These are the 4 options in this menu, and the examination is this one. So this everything are written for JEE mains. So this is the time section. It will give you the start date and end date, as well as the time, the start time and the end time for that test. For each and every test you can see that option. And regarding the action, you will see the 5 different types in this action. So let me explain you each and every one. So first of all, it's an overview. This overview report will give you the marks overview, like in overall. So you can see the last 5 tests, last 10, last 15, as well as last 20 test reports. This gives you the blue bar is for percentage, and for this test ID, the percentage, you can see the percentage 1. If you place the cursor on this bar, it will give you the percentage of that particular test. So for test 4087, this is 11%, and for test 1327, that's 2%, and for test 1130, that's 16%. And the rest are also in the same manner. And you can see the test ID and the test name. We have seen it before also, the test model and the total examination and the rank of that particular test. So you can see the attempted time also. So this test was attempted on 19 September 2021 at 12:23 p.m. So this is how it looks for the marks. And when it comes to the subject-wise marks report, it will give you the subjects that are available in that test, as well as the marks and the rank for that particular subject. So for physics, So once you have seen the subject-wise report, you can see the section-wise report also. This gives the analysis on the subject and the sections in that particular subjects also. So in each and every subject, there are single answer as well as numerical questions. So minus 5 marks, and the rank is 45th for the single answers. As well as for numerical, it's 0 marks and 27th rank. For chemistry single answer, 2 marks and 45th rank. Chemistry numerical, 4 marks and 38th rank. Mathematics single answer, 5 marks and 44th rank. Mathematics numerical, 4 marks and 37th rank. So this is how the section-wise report looks. And let's see the chapter wise also. So it gives the subject and the chapter that is available in that subject and its detailed report. So in physics, dual nature of radiation and matter is the subject, and total questions are 22, minus 5 marks for this physics, 0 correct and wrong 5 questions. So there are 17 unattempted in this physics subject. Whereas for chemistry, there are 2 chapters, coordination compounds, as well as general properties of metallurgy. There are 15 questions, 4 marks for the test, in this chapter, and 2 correct answers and 4 wrong answers for this, whereas 9 unattempted questions in coordination compounds. And for general properties of metallurgy, total there are 15 questions, minus 2 marks and 0 correct answers, 2 wrong answers, and 13 unattempted. Whereas for maths, there is only 1 chapter, permutation and combinations, 30 questions in total, 5 marks and 6 correct answers, and 19 wrong answers. So there are 5 unattempted questions. So this is how the chapter-wise report looks in the overview. So once you're done seeing the overview of the reports, you can see the subject-wise report as the second one. So click on it to see how it looks. So when you open it, it will give you all subjects that are available in that test. You can view it all the subjects at a time, or else you can view it each and every subject individually. So in the first one, you can see the comparison between topper and you and the total score report. So this bar indicates the score of the person. So it says it's of Puttamoni, Sai Balaji, and it's Venkatesh. So this score is the topper of your class, and this score is yours. So when you place the cursor on this, you can see the score 193 for Puttamani Sai Balaji, and for you, it's score 10. So it shows the comparison between you both. So this one is the subject-wise report. You have seen it, the comparison in overall score. So if you want to see it individually, you can see in this one. So it's subject-wise report. This sky blue is physics, and these 2 colors are chemistry and maths. So you can see this is your score and this is your class topper score. So when you place the cursor, it's minus 5 for physics, and here it's 15 for physics. This one is chemistry, 6 in chemistry for you, and 91 in chemistry for your topper. There's 9 in maths for you, and 87 for maths for your topper. So this is how the subject-wise report looks for you and your topper. So this is the pie chart that gives a subject-wise report. So when you place the cursor on it, it gives you the score of that subject. So for maths, out of 120, you got only 9 marks. And for physics, out of 120, you got minus 5 marks. And for chemistry, out of 120, you got only 6 marks. So this is the pie chart representation of the subject-wise report. Whereas this, you can see the report for you as well as your topper. This one is also a type of comparison. It gives you the marks in that subject, the percentage of that subject, as well as the rank of that subject for you as well as your topper in the class. So you can see the physics marks minus 5, and for your topper, it's 15. You don't have a percentage because it's negative marking, and your class topper's percentage is 13.33 in physics, and the rank of yours is 45th, and your topper's is 11th. It's 11 because this is the particular rank of this particular subject only, even though he is a topper. So for chemistry, 6 marks for you and 91 for your topper, 6.67% for you, and 76.67% for your topper.
45th rank for you, and the first rank for chemistry is your topper. Similarly for maths, and this gives you the total marks for each and every subject. You can add it. So total, the total percentage, the total ranks. So this is how the subject-wise report looks. And now going to the third one, CWU Analysis. If you click on it, you can see another type of report over here. The CWU Analysis stands for C as in correct, W as in wrong, and U as in unattempted. So it gives the report for each and every subject in these three different types. So we have physics, chemistry, and maths over here. In three of them, it gives the correct, wrong, and unattempted result for these subjects for you as well as your topper. So in physics, you got 0 correct and your topper got 4 correct. And you got 5 wrong and only 1 wrong for your topper. So there are 25 unattempted for your both. Whereas for chemistry, it's the same. Chemistry 2 correct for you and 23 correct for your topper. 6 wrong for you and 2 wrong for your topper. There are 22 unattempted for you and 5 unattempted for your topper. So this is how the CWU analysis looks. You can see the total correct, total wrong, and total unattempted as well. So if there are, so you can see this response-wise results also. It says it gives the CWU analysis for each and every question. That means if your first question is unattempted, it will show you U. And if your first question or second question is correct, it will give you C. And if it's wrong, it will give you W. So this way, it will show you the CWU analysis for each and every question for you as well as your topper. So now, for you, the first question you have unattempted and your topper is also unattempted. So it gives you U for both. Whereas for the third question, you have unattempted for this and your topper got the correct answer for this question. And the fourth one, you got wrong for this question and your topper unattempted this question. So it will goes on for each and every question. So till 30, it's physics. So from 31, it will give you another subject. It's chemistry here. You are unattempted the 31st chemistry question. And your topper got wrong for this. And 32nd question, you are unattempted and your topper got correct. So it goes on till the next subject. So till 60, it's chemistry. And from 61, it's maths. So in the maths first question, you got wrong answer and your topper got correct. 62nd, you got wrong and topper got correct. In the same way, it gives us for all the questions in this test. So this is how the CWU analysis looks. So the next type of reports is the marks distribution report. So once you have seen the overview, subject-wise report, and CWU analysis, you can view the marks distribution report over here. Let's click on it to see what it is. So it says the range of marks as well as the branch and the number of people in that. So the overall test is 360 marks. So the people who got marks between 360 to 341 are 0 people. So in the same way, you can see all these. So 300 to 281, 0 people got these range of marks. And from 200 to 181, 1 person got the marks. And 180 to 161, 3 people got. So we have the another page over here. So from 160 to 141, there are 10 people who got marks from in this range. And from 140 to 121, there are 11 people. 120 to 101, 10 people, as well as you can see the last one, 20 to 0, only 1 people got the name, it's us. So the person we got is David. So this is how the marks distribution report looks. So once you have done this, you can see the performance trends report also, the final one in the reports. So open it. You can see the student performance report in 4 different categories over here. It says R. R means below 40%, red. You need to improve performance zone. So if the marks for that subject or that particular test displays in this range, it says you need to improve your performance. So if it is an orange between 41 to 60% in above average performance zone, whereas in green between 61 to 80, green in good performance zone, whereas for E between 81 to 100, gold in excellent performance zone. So this is year's report, the student ID, name and branch. It says for each and every subject. So you got 43 marks. The percentage will be around something bit less than 40 because the overall test is for something like 60 or so. So you are in red zone now. It gives you the color for that test and for that subject. And if you need to improve, it will give you as red color. If you are good, it will give you green. And if you are in above average zone, it will give you orange or something. So this is how the report section is viewed in the student portal of MyConceptBooster. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you.